Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you the 3 different ways you can use to remove page titles in WordPress. The first way is to simply not add a title when creating a new page or remove it from an existing one. Hover over pages. So if you want to create a new page without a title, click on Add New. Enter any content you want into the page. We'll use lorem ipsum. And then when you save the page, we'll use the preview to see it. Then click Preview. And you can see it doesn't have a title. If you want to do this on an existing page, you need to go back to All Pages, find the page you want to change, simply delete the title, and we'll click on the Preview button to see the changes. As you can see, it doesn't have a title anymore. The second method for removing page titles in WordPress is a bit more involved because it requires the use of CSS. So when you find the page you want to remove the title from, navigate to it, we'll use our home page again, and you'll need to find the page's ID number. The best way to find it is to edit the page like we are editing our home page now, and in the link to the page, find the number that says post equals 38 in our case, so this is our page ID, 38. You'll also need the class of the title you want to remove, so it's a bit more complicated to find that. So first we'll bring back the title on our home page. So click on Preview Changes. You need to select the title, right click on it, and then click on Inspect. You'll see the title class highlighted. It's entry title in our case. So with those two pieces of information, you have the page ID and the title class. You need to go to the Appearance menu, hover over it, and then open the Customizer. When there, you need to click on Additional CSS, and then enter the page ID, it's 38 in our case, enter the title class, and then enter a simple piece of code. You need to open the correct brackets, and then you need to enter a piece of code. As you can see, we don't have a page title anymore. So this is it for the second method. This method is especially useful because it masks the page title. It doesn't delete it. So when you go to the backend and you see all of your pages in a list, you'll also see the titles of the pages, and it will be easier to navigate and see which page is which. The third method involves using a plugin. Okay, so if you want to install the plugin, you go to Plugins, hover over it, click on Add New. We'll use the Title Remover plugin. You can search for it. So we already have it installed here. If you want to install it too, you can find it, and you'll see the Install Now and Activate button that will appear over here. When you do that, go to Create a New Page, and you'll see on the right hand side the option to hide the title. It's over here. So we'll call this page the Awesome Page. You can give it that title. You can save the draft, and we'll look at the preview, and you can see that it has a title now. So we can go back. We can click on this option, save it again, click on the preview button again, and you'll see that it doesn't have a title anymore. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information about this topic, check out the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.